Today I will tell you how high is the chance that Bitcoin will go to $48,000. Yes, you heard right. I'm still in Thailand, I'm still traveling, but even though I will give you every single day the updates about Bitcoin, I will tell you where I buy, where I sell, I will give you the exact levels, and I will show you what happened to my trade, what happened to the last trades that we have taken, and if you make it until the end of the video, I will give you access to my trading algorithm that I'm using, and also to my trading indicator, and you don't have to pay anything for it. There is a German influencer called Dr. Julian Hoss. He's also doing some videos in English, and he's saying that there are a lot of traders in Kalshi, in the platform Kalshi, that say, or they bet that Bitcoin will go to 48,000, and many people think, oh, that's impossible, oh no, we will not go below 50. I'm telling you something, don't listen to these bullshitters. We can go to 48, we can even go to 30, we can go to 28, we can even go to 10. Why? Because in this moment, the one and only person that really keeps Bitcoin alive, and listen very carefully, that's very important what I'm telling you now. The one and only person that keeps Bitcoin alive is Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is buying, and you can see it, just check his Twitter account. Whenever he say, oh, I raised $3 billion, we buy again, Bitcoin goes up. Whenever he's saying nothing, Bitcoin goes down. You know, yeah, every now and then, whenever Trump said, oh yeah, there's war, oh no war, oh, it was a joke, oh, whatever, then maybe something changed. But in the end of the day, who's really keeping alive Bitcoin is Michael Saylor. So if Michael Saylor runs out of money, and if no investors come anymore to put money in to buy Bitcoin, so then Bitcoin is screwed. And if there is a liquidation event, a cascade of liquidations, then we will see price going down, 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 down. Stop loss get hit, sales, forced sales, okay, Bitcoin goes down. Because Bitcoin goes down, it will hit another stop loss, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on, and so on. You know, this is like something that can bring us very, very easy to 48. It's not even difficult. You know, I have told you this many times. So now, what are the levels that I'm watching? I'm still in a short trade. Okay, yeah, I'm a little bit in negative now, but I'm very, very confident that we will go down from here. I would show you now the exact charts, and I would also show you how you can use my trading algorithms to really create a network, really create wealth, because it's very stupid to think that if you don't have money and you take a little bit of money and you invest in Bitcoin, that you will get rich. Bitcoin is not there to make you rich. Bitcoin is just there to make sure you will not be poor. You know, what does it mean? Let's say you have $1 million and you say, okay, I will put 100,000 into Bitcoin. Okay, this is working. So you can be almost sure that this $100,000 will keep his purchasing power, you know, but to say, oh yeah, now I invest in Bitcoin and I will eventually be rich very soon. No, that's not possible. Maybe if you do this for 10, 15 years, yes, you can really create wealth. Or if you did this like 10 years ago, yeah, but now this is over. Bitcoin is not doubling, or yeah, it's doubling, I mean, but before you could buy Bitcoin for whatever, $1, $2, $5, and then eventually it was $500, so it was 100x. This is not working anymore. Okay, so forget about it. Creating wealth with Bitcoin, it's impossible. Maintaining wealth, protecting wealth, yeah, that's possible. But now I will just show you what I see here in the charts. Okay, as I told you, Bitcoin went down, tested this level again, and now we are here entering in this fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap. That's very valid. So you know, if you have not seen my videos, in this area here, you can see this candle and this candle are not touching. Normally the first and the third, they're always touching. You see here and here touching. You see here, and obviously this is touching. You know, here was also, there was not touching. From here to here, there was not touching. What's happening? Boom, they closed the fair value gap. This is what I think that will happen now. Okay, we're now currently trading at 71,219. I have opened a short position from 71, so it's a little bit in loss now. I want to close it here in 69,500. 69,500, I want to close it because I think first, next move will be here down, we will touch this trend line, and then we will go up will liquidate all the shorts, because if we go down from here, people might think, oh yeah, we'll go down, maybe we take the liquidity from this 68,900, we will take the liquidity from this candle, and then we will go up. Once we go up, people will open long position. Oh yeah, yeah, we go to 100 now. All the YouTubers will say, okay, this is the line in the sand. If we manage to go above 75, 800, then we will go to 100 again. Okay, but then will happen the next, as we have seen here. When we was here, they said, okay, if we make a higher high, then we are off to the races. Then what happened? We made a higher high and we went down. So then they said, okay, if we manage to close a daily candle above this, then yeah, we did it. So we closed the daily candle here, even without a wick. I mean, imagine a daily. Show me one daily candle without the wick. There is no. This is a daily candle without the wick. It's very, very strong. What happened next? We went down, and look how much we went down. We went down almost from 76. From 7.6 to 6,750. This is $8,500. Let us sink in, $8,500. Okay, so now we're up again here. So what I think now, I will close my short here. I will open along and then maybe close it somehow. Yeah, here. I don't think that we will go any higher than this. But I have also I'm using trading algorithms, and they are doing basically all the work for me. If you want to use it, just send me a message. Here you can see Ronnie Talks Crypto. Take a screenshot, check exactly, because there are so many scammers. I will not ask you for any money. I have nothing to sell. I have no private group. I have no courses, nothing. I don't offer any investments, so nothing. What I'm saying is financial advice. So just send me a message, say, hey, I want the trading algorithm, and that's very much it. That's it for today. If you like this video, please put me a comment, give me a like. If you want the trading algorithm, also send me a comment or send me a message on Twitter. And be aware that we can go to 48, we can go to 38, we can go to 28, we can go to 18 or to 8. There is nothing impossible, Don't say, oh no, that's impossible. If you just buy and hold Bitcoin, yeah, that's fine. But if you want to trade, if you have future positions, don't think, oh yeah, I just use a 2x leverage, so we will not use the half of the price the price will not go to the half now. We are now at 70, so 35, very easy. Okay, not very easy, but it can happen, It's likely? No, it's not likely, but it can happen. Yeah, it can happen. So if you are not really 100% focused, sitting in front of a computer every single day and trade actively, better use the algorithm. You can have it for free. Put me a comment, I will send it to you. And yeah, keep following me, because I will travel here in Thailand to all these nice places. I will show you. Look, I'm here. This is Krabi. Very nice place. I was never here. I have not even researched anything about it. Just a friend told me, hey, go to Krabi, it's very nice. And yeah, recommendable. I will keep you updated. Bitcoin, crypto, and also traveling. You should just think about this. Maybe you're stuck on a job. Maybe you think, oh, yeah, why should I keep going? Maybe you're burned out, but trust me, there are so many possibilities to have a good life, to travel with your family. Even I have friends, they are living here in Thailand, There are so many opportunities. Start to create wealth, start to create an income. Here in Dubai, I was in Dubai before, but here in Thailand, you can have a very high class luxury life for about $20,000. But I'm talking a high class luxury life that costs you in Dubai maybe $150,000. If you want a good life, a house with pool, restaurants every day, people that work for you, gardener, cook, whatever, you can make this with 10,000, with 10K, imagine. And if you want to just live a normal life, you can live with $1,000 here. You can rent something for $500. You can eat very cheap here. So everything is possible, but you need an income. And for an income, you need systems. like my trading algorithm, or you use my trading indicator every day. You use them to trade, to buy and sell. You trade 2-3 hours, and the rest you enjoy here in the pool, the beach, whatever. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care of your money, of your crypto, and see you tomorrow. Bye.